I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history with Huntington Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Huntington Bank website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials. This will give you access to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main menu. This will display all your accounts linked to your profile. Step 3. Select the desired account. Click on the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be a checking or savings account. Step 4. View transaction history. Look for the transaction history option, usually located below your account balance. Click on it to see a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If you need to narrow down your search, use the filter options to select a date, range, or transaction type. You can also download the history for your records. Remember, if you're using the app, the layout might differ slightly, so keep an eye out for similar options. Happy banking!